crafty friends! I've received box number 12 from Your Paper Insider and I'm going to unbox it with you all. This is a quarterly paper subscription that includes at least 20 sheets of unique and exotic papers from around the globe. Every sheet in this box is letter size, so 8.5 by 11. Inside the box there's a package of white and blue crinkle shredding. Then the paper is wrapped in tissue paper and sealed in plastic. After the plastic is removed, there's a spoiler sheet on top. The back lists all the names, size, and thickness of the papers included, and it turns out that that crinkle package is scented. Now for the papers. The first paper is Silver Non-Shed Glitter, which is 300 GSMs. Then there's Deep Black Cadillac, which is 12-point cover. We have Ultra White Smooth Cardstock, 100 pounds, and also a returning favorite. There's Denim Mohawk Renewal, 120 pounds. Duralair Clear. This is a sheet of acetate paper. Aquamarine Curious Metallics, 80 pound. Charcoal Tie in Ryu, 25 GSMs. Silver Holographic More Dots, 12-point cover. Aubergine Purple Lacebo cardstock, 225 GSM. Violet Tie Unreo, 25 GSM. Lavender Holographic Ponytails, 100-pound cover. Royal Purple Curious Skin, 100 pound. White Grid Watermark Rayon, 17 GSM. Mars Star Dream, 74 pound. Rust Color Plan cardstock, 100 pound. Amber Star Dream, 105 pound. Copper Curious Alchemy, 111 pounds. White and red flowers, Yuzenshi. This is beautiful paper at 75 GSM. Gold diamond glitter, 300 GSM. It appears that this is non-shed as well. Wood Kogami, 75 GSM. Gold Gmond Treasury, 113 pound. Lime Tai Unreo, 25 GSM. Green with gold petals, Yuzenshi. Another beautiful paper, it's 75 GSM. Then we have Crocodile Gmund Alizan, 111 pounds. Grocer Craft Environment Raw, 100 pounds. Chlorophyll Yellow Gmund Reaction, 113 pounds. And Salzburg Gmund Ever, 91 pounds. And now that I've taken a look at the full contents of the box, this white and red flower paper is definitely my favorite. I also love the number of glimmer papers as well as the non-shed glitter papers. And as I mentioned in the beginning, the crinkle is scented. I went and opened it to see what the scent was, and it kind of reminds me of coconut and vanilla. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and there is a link to the subscription box in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.